Every man has faced it, the moment she walks away, and you're left staring into the abyss of what once was. But what if I told you this isn't the end? What if I told you this heartbreak could become the catalyst for your greatest transformation? Stoicism isn't just philosophy, it's a weapon, a tool to rebuild your mind, reclaim your power, and rise from the ashes stronger than ever before. Today on Stoic Blessing, we're diving into 10 lessons every man needs after a breakup, grounded in the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and the unflinching truths of dark psychology. If you're ready to take the first step toward reclaiming your strength, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's begin. Number 1. Embrace the pain. The first lesson is this: embrace the pain. There's no escaping heartbreak. It's raw, it's brutal, and it's real. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Pain is inevitable, but suffering, that's optional. Let it hurt. Feel every ounce of the loss, because only when you face it head-on can you begin to control it. If you're ready to take this pain and forge it into strength, comment, "Pain builds strength," below. Let the world know you're not running, you're rising. Number 2. Control what you can. She left, and it feels like your world is crumbling. But here's the truth. The more you cling to what's beyond your control, the more you suffer. Epictetus said it best. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Her actions, her feelings, they're outside your grasp. But your mindset, your response, that's yours to master. Channel your energy into things within your sphere of control, your health, your growth, your future. Every second spent obsessing over what you can't control is a second stolen from building the life you deserve. If you're ready to reclaim your power, comment, "I control my fate," below. This is your moment. Own it. Number 3. Detach from the outcome. One of the hardest truths to accept is that you can't control how things turn out, only how you show up. Seneca reminds us, "Begin at once to live and count each separate day as a separate life." This breakup is not your failure. It's not your identity. Detach from the idea that your happiness is tied to her presence. True strength comes from within, from living according to your values, not someone else's validation. By letting go of the outcome, you free yourself from the chains of the past and step into the freedom of the present. If you're ready to break free and claim that freedom, comment, "Freedom in detachment," below. This is how you rise. Number 4. Rebuild with purpose. Heartbreak leaves a void, but nature abhors a vacuum. That emptiness you feel, it's a gift, a chance to rebuild your life on a stronger foundation. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." This is the moment to ask yourself, who do I want to become? Invest in your physical health, your career, your passions. Channel the energy you wasted on the relationship into building something that makes you proud. Purpose is the antidote to pain. If you're ready to rebuild and find your purpose, comment, "Purpose drives me," below. The man you're becoming starts here. Number 5. Acknowledge impermanence. Everything in life is fleeting, your joys, your sorrows, even this heartbreak. The Stoics taught us to embrace this truth, not resist it. Seneca said, "What need is there to weep over parts of life? The whole of it calls for tears." The relationship wasn't meant to last forever, and that's okay. Impermanence doesn't diminish the beauty of what was. It prepares you for what's to come. Accepting this truth doesn't just help you heal, it liberates you to live fully without fear of loss. If you're ready to embrace change and find strength in it, comment, "I embrace change," below. This is how resilience is forged. Number 6. Fortify your mind. After a breakup, it's easy to fall into the trap of self-pity or destructive habits, but a Stoic man doesn't crumble under pressure. he sharpens himself. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have to assemble your life yourself, action by action." This is the time to train your mind like a warrior. Meditate daily, reflect on your thoughts, and feed your brain with wisdom, not despair. A fortified mind doesn't just weather the storm, it transforms it into strength. If you're ready to sharpen your mind and take back control, comment, "Strength starts within" below. The battle for your future begins in your thoughts. Number 7. Avoid the trap of revenge. When someone breaks your heart, the pull toward anger and vengeance can feel overwhelming. But Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Revenge doesn't heal wounds, it deepens them. It ties you to the past and robs you of your future. Instead, let your success and growth be the ultimate response. Prove to yourself, not to her or anyone else, that you're stronger than the pain. Leave bitterness behind and focus on becoming the man you were always meant to be. If you're ready to rise above resentment and focus on your growth, comment, "I rise above" below. Let revenge be the last thing on your mind. Number 8. Focus on virtue, not validation. Too often we measure our worth by how others see us, especially someone we loved. But Epictetus taught, "Who then is invincible? The one who cannot be upset by anything outside their reasoned choice." Stop chasing her approval. Stop chasing anyone's approval. Instead, live according to your own principles. Cultivate courage, discipline, and wisdom. When you center your life around virtue, you become unshakable. External validation fades, but your character stays with you forever. If you're ready to live by your own code, comment, "Virtue is power" below. This is your foundation for an unbreakable life. Number 9. Surround yourself with the right people. Heartbreak can make you feel isolated, but now is the time to reassess your circle. Seneca said, "Associate with people who are likely to improve you." You don't need people who feed your anger or validate your pain. You need those who challenge you to grow. Build a network of individuals who inspire discipline, resilience, and wisdom. Remember, your environment shapes your progress. Choose strength over comfort. If you're ready to elevate your circle and surround yourself with greatness, comment, "I choose strength" below. Your tribe determines your trajectory. Number 10. Turn pain into legacy. The heartbreak you're experiencing can be your greatest teacher, if you let it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "What we do now echoes in eternity." Don't let this pain define you. Let it fuel you. Use it to build something that outlasts the fleeting moments of loss. Whether it's mastering a skill, creating something meaningful, or inspiring others, let your story become a testament to resilience and growth. Pain doesn't just end, it transforms. And what you create from it can be your legacy. If you're ready to turn your loss into something that lasts forever, comment, "Legacy over loss" below. Your future self will thank you. These are the 10 Stoic lessons every man needs after a breakup. Embrace the pain, control what you can, detach from the outcome, rebuild with purpose, acknowledge impermanence, fortify your mind, avoid the trap of revenge, focus on virtue, not validation, surround yourself with the right people, and finally, turn pain into legacy. Remember, heartbreak isn't the end. It's the beginning of a transformation. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe to Stoic Blessing, and turn on notifications so you never miss the wisdom that can change your life. Share this video with someone who needs it, and together, let's rise stronger than ever before. Until next time, stay strong and stay stoic.